In this video, we will show you how to exchange the spindle of your E3. Have the following items ready: a spare spindle and the provided 1.5 Nm torque screwdriver with the TX10 bit. Move the spindle to the tool changing position. Open the working chamber door. Remove the tool from the collet chuck. We provide a video on this topic. Close the working chamber door. Move the axes into default position. Close Dental CNC. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Disconnect the machine from all lines. Remove the service cover. We provide a video on this topic as well. Loosen the fixing screw with the torque screwdriver. Do not unscrew the screw completely. Pull the spindle upward out of the spindle holder. Loosen the spindle cable by turning the knurled nut counterclockwise by hand. Unplug the spindle cable and remove the spindle from the machine. Take the spare spindle and plug the spindle cable into the connector on the spindle. Tighten the spindle cable by manually turning the knurled nut clockwise. Insert the spindle from above into the spindle holder until the spindle rests on the stop. Turn the spindle so that the spindle cable is above the positioning aid as shown in the video. Tighten the screw to fix the spindle in place using the torque screwdriver. Fully assemble the machine housing. You can find the video on this topic in the video description. Connect the machine with all lines. Switch on the machine at the main power switch. Start Dental CNC. Mark the following entries in the maintenance section as complete: exchanging the spindle, and exchanging the spindle collet chuck. This will keep your list up to date. Mill a test specimen and calibrate the machine as necessary. We provide a video on this topic. Contact customer service and have the spindle operating hours reset. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.